shining in the sky. Green, yellow, red, and white, proud and high. Island voices strong, we ride free, never shy. Oman, red and green, with a sword so bold. Wider peaks, a story proudly told. Desert heartbeat strong, traditions made of gold. Somalia, blue flag with a star so bright. Symbol of freedom, hope in the night. Riding waves of pride, we shine in the light. Mauritania, green with crescent star. Gold of the desert, strength travels far. Faith and unity, ride where the people are. Hey! Belgium, black, yellow, red in the flame. Courage and justice, we honor the name. In the heart of Europe, we ride with no shame. Lesotho, blue, green, white, and a shield. Mountain kingdom strong, our spirit revealed. Guardians of peace, our pride is sealed. Liberia, red and white stripes all around. One white star blue, freedom we found. Voices of liberty, sing a fearless sound. Mozambique, red, black, green, and gold. Star in the book, the story retold. Strength of the people, brave and bold. Latvia, dark red and white, stripe clear. Songs of the land, traditions we hear. Through the Baltic winds, our pride steers. Djibouti, green and blue, red star shines. Unity and peace in the flag's bold lines. Desert and ocean, where our strength combines. Lebanon, red and white, with a cedar tree. Life and endurance for the world to see. Mountain heartbeat strong, forever free. Austria, red and white, stripes in the sky. Pride of the Alps, our banner rides high. Voices of freedom echo as we fly.